All right, well, welcome to the MagicSchool platform and your teacher dashboard. Let's start by taking a quick tour of the dashboard so you can learn where everything lives. On the left-hand menu, you'll see MagicTools for teachers, Raina, your instructional coach chatbot, and MagicStudent. But for this video, we'll just focus on the MagicTools dashboard. When you click the MagicTools dropdown, you'll see 4 different options. Teacher Tools is where you will find the 80+ tools already prompted and ready to go. My Collections is where you can create your own collection of MagicSchool tools. Output History, where you can go back and see any conversation you had with any of our AI tools and pick up where you left off. And you have the Resource Library, where you can go back and find any output that you saved as a resource to use time and time again. At the top center of the screen, you'll find your search bar. Use this search bar to quickly find any tool. In the search bar, simply type in what you're looking for, hit enter, and you'll be given tons of suggestions on what tools to start with. And right below that, you'll see Raina's recommendations, which are tools suggested just for you based on your profile. You can use the filter by section to sort tools by purpose, or you can build your own collections of your favorites to save and share with colleagues. In the top corner of the screen, you'll find one of my personal favorite buttons, the dark mode toggle. You'll also find the translate page feature and the question mark button, which links to PD resources and student AI literacy guides and some other cool stuff like the swag shop. And before you leave that top right corner, you may notice a button that says create a custom tool. Creating your own custom tool can be incredibly powerful, but we will explore this in another video. For now, feel free to explore and see what you can create on your own. In the bottom right corner, you'll find our accessibility settings, plus the help button to connect directly with our team. If something's not working in MagicSchool, contact our team. If you have a question on how you can use MagicSchool, talk to Raina. She knows quite a bit. And that's really it for navigating your teacher dashboard. And if you'd like more tips and tricks on how to use MagicSchool, make sure you hit the subscribe button.